Good morning, respected Father Praveen KJ, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Myra Joy. Today, we, the students of first standard section A, are going to show the correct way of washing hands. Vasavi, do you know why we get sick? Yes, it is because we don't wash our hands. Dear friends, in order to avoid getting sick, there are 5 steps of hand washing. First step, wet your hands under clean running water. Second step, rub soap on the back of your hands, between your fingers and under your nails. Third step, scrub your hand for at least 20 seconds. Fourth step, rinse your hands under clean running water. Fifth step, dry your hands on a clean towel. So friends, remember to wash your hands often, especially before eating and after using the bathroom. Clean hands.